Well, San Diegans are facing the challenge of trying to get a COVID test, whether it's scheduling an appointment or finding an at-home kit.
Today marks a new push to offer some relief, providing those tests in some places. News 8's Evan Arani joining us live in National City to show us what they're doing there. Good morning, Evan.
Good morning. That's right. National City is going to be distributing 1,000 test kits beginning at 8 a.m. here at the public library. And already behind me, probably 20, maybe even 30 people already ready to receive their test kit. This is because, of course, 4 days now after the new year, many people are rushing to get their COVID-19 tests of the Omicron variant especially, and the access to it has been extremely limited. People have waited several hours in line in order to get their test at a county testing site. Pharmacies sell out within minutes for those at-home tests. So now already dozens of people gathering here in front of the National City Public Library in order to receive their test kit.
You got folks who come every single day to get tested. We're trying to encourage folks. You don't need to come every single day to get tested.
Coming to the emergency department, it incurs a risk. It incurs a risk to infection. And at the same time, there's a cost that comes along with the emergency department.
And that was the doctor with Rady Children's Hospital saying that some people have resorted to walking into the emergency room with no symptoms at all just to get a COVID-19 test. They say that is not a good tactic. They do not suggest people do so. The problem is that those tests are hard to come by. Local pharmacies have reported selling out within those rapid tests within minutes of restocking. And people looking to order new at-home tests online have seen shipping delays that last several weeks at a time. So today, the first 1,000 people in line at the National City Public Library will be able to get a free test at-home testing kit beginning at 8 a.m. The key is that there will only be one test kit distributed per person. They will take walk-ups as well as people who have driven up in line. They say they have 1,000 kits in total. And anyone over the age of 2 years old can receive that test kit. And I can tell you, it is cold out here this morning, but nonetheless, some people have lined up for more than 2 hours ahead of time, as we still have an hour and a half at this point before they start distributing those tests. The important thing, again, if you are planning to make your way out here, is number one, to get here well in advance. Those tests will start being handed out at 8 a.m. And to remember that you will only receive one test kit per person in your vehicle or per person walking up over the age of 2 years old. But they hope that this will at least partially alleviate the need for testing here in San Diego County, with thousands of people trying to get their hands on those at-home tests.